Hello, my name is Joseph Drolshagen, and I help real estate agents to achieve dynamic sales growth in all areas of their business, as far as expanding their customer bases, as far as generating new leads and additional leads behind what they're doing today, which we all know lead to additional closings and better business for everyone. And at the same time, experiencing even greater balance in all areas of their life to allow them to truly enjoy all of their efforts. I have a degree in business management as well as multiple coaching certifications and a 30-year career in business specific to sales, all the way up to a vice president of sales, all the while developing new territories that are profitable, new business development, strategically retaining customer bases and growing the current customer bases, and then going back and recapturing past customer bases, all the way up to managing and leading sales teams that continually year over year exceed expectations. I am tenacious towards results in everything I do. And the reason I'm calling you today is because my program has proven to be so powerful and effective amongst agents that I would love to talk to you in regards to offering a lunch and learn at your agency. My telephone number is area code 864-614-3333. I look forward to hearing back from you. Goodbye.